Today in front of me Lenovo Legend, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that just here tap on the display and brightness. Here scroll a little bit down and you will see the always on display. Click here once. If the always on display is activated, the swatcher will be in the green color. Just then click here to the AOD styles, and you can here select one from this available themes. We can add the classic one, or just this in the blue coat theme here, or these ones here with the guns if you want, and then just here to change it. To see, we just should block the device, and as can you see, by this way we can customize the always on display feature on our device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.